Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So, today we're going to look at how to send an email in Gmail on your PC or laptop. So, if you're new to Gmail and you want a guide on how to send your first email, you can follow along with me. So, to start with, open up your Gmail account. In the top left hand corner, you're going to click on Compose. From there, a new box will open up and you can start writing your message. If you need more room, you can use this tab to open up the box a little bit. So you need to add in the email address you're sending to. So I'll write my email address in. gmail.com. Then you want to write in a subject, so whatever the message is about. So I'm just going to write hi and how are you. You want to fill out the body of the message, and then you can click send, or you can add a few things to your message if you like. So you can attach files, insert a link, insert emojis, or insert pictures, and you can even schedule the message to go out at a later date. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.